your head on the mat. Just lay your hands behind you. Just really feel your neck relax. Let your head drop down. Take 5 deep breaths. Puppy pose. So back up on your knees. Stretch your arms all the way out. Go down. Put your forehead on the mat and reach as high as you can go. Really feel that stretch in your back and your shoulders. Just like you're a puppy that just woke up from a nap. You're just taking a really long stretch. 5 deep breaths. All right, now we're going to do cat pose, the opposite of puppy pose. So be on your hands and knees, just arch your back like you're one of those Halloween cats. Yay! Take 5 deep breaths. And when you're done with that, you're going to arch your back the other way. So arch your back towards the floor and really stick your butt up. This is called cow pose. So imagine you're a cow in like a nice pasture of grass, just chewing. Take 5 deep breaths. Alright, now we're going to do downward dog. Stand up. Push into the mat. Really push the mat away with your hands. Take 5 deep breaths. Really feel that stretch in your back. This is like Alright, and now we're going to do dolphin pose. So it's just like downward dog, except that your elbows are touching the mat. You go up again, and you push away. Good job. Nice. Alright, hold 5 deep breaths. Alright, and now we're going to do lion pose. So you're sitting back on your knees, put your hands here, and really arch your back. And wiggle your jaw, open your mouth like you're roaring like a lion. Hold that for 5 deep breaths. Alright. And now we're going to go back to easy seat. So just crisscross applesauce. Hands on knees. Sitting up really straight. And rest for 5 deep breaths. little bit harder. Really feel that stretch. Hold it for 5 deep breaths. Nice. All right. Now we're gonna fold one leg underneath. Stick one leg out behind like this. Yeah, exactly like that. Except the back of your foot should be touching the mat. There you go. That's good. Alright, this is called lizard pose, guys. So hold it for 5 deep breaths, and then we're going to switch sides. Alright, switch sides. Keep doing 5 deep breaths. Alright, now we're going to roll over onto our backs. And reach up. Grab your feet. This is called baby pose. Pull your feet in close to you and hold it for 5 deep breaths. All right. Now lay those feet out flat, and we're just going to relax. Just lay here, feel your body touching the floor. Inhale, and slowly exhale. Do that for 5 deep breaths. All right, and when you guys are ready,